then you go.
The Honorable Minister, I am on this land. I have a sub-lease.
That's what I want to hear. I want to hear. If you have a sub-lease, that's what the law will defend.
So if you allow me to finish my submission, then I give you the conclusions, Honorable Minister.
Okay, do it.
Don't get annoyed on me. I think you because the person I was talking about was Chiza, who came and told me.
No, you're telling me about Chiza. Chiza has nothing to do. He's a criminal who should have been arrested by the administration. You are just a weak administrator if you didn't raise kids and the brigadier is talking about it. A criminal is going about, he has not been arrested.
I wanted to give
and you, every Ugandan, I want to tell you, every Ugandan has a constitutional right to arrest anybody suspected of doing a crime.
And I want to apologize to the family of late Angela, who thinks I'm a thief, I'm a terrorist, I'm bad, who received that propaganda tarnishing my name. People don't know me. People have never shared any contact with anybody. But the way they talk against me, it's so absurd. I struggled to recover their land. I protected from grabbers, but that's what they have paid me. But anyway, I apologize.
Whether it's Milo, whether it's what, if somebody is grabbing it, they will come to the RDC, they will come to the DPC, they will take control. Don't just get an individual because he has military gears and therefore he comes and guards you. You guard land by law. It's the law. A Chibanja holder has his rights. And those rights are defended by the administration in place. The one here, the president put in place is these people, the RDC, they are the security committee, the directives I've given you here. They are not to you or to any brigadier or whoever. They are to these people. The consultation they give is not to you or to anybody else. It's to me as the Minister of Lands. Don't bring those things here. What I want you to say, how did you get on that land? What are your agreements? What are the solutions you want to give?
What are your minister let me first give you this one?
No, I don't want that.
I'm saying
I have said I am the one chairing this meeting. I'm not getting one. I want
those quotas were there. And as
I've told you, you are
yes.
guided.
So after
legally you
agreeing with them
yes.
that they should shift to one part so that they leave another part for the family. That was my real wish I had to discuss. But that thing was not easy. People move today, the following day you find 10 have come. Yes. So what I had to look for somebody to help me, to make sure what is free remains free. Otherwise, by now, if there was nobody to make sure that place remains free, I want to assure you there would be no place to place a leave.
That person is general. He's here. He's
so the very person I'm talking about is the Brigadier General Nabasa Peter Ankunda.
But let me ask you, what stopped you from distributing it at that time?
So, I've been between the Darrell and Menu. Oh, no more, no more, Brigadier Nabasa. Walimba the Walinga, Yogango, Patagera, the one at Yalunga, you know, Kakati says a Jinja Kwanikia, Commander or UPDF. I want to see the commander. Not Mbande walinga ndoza tinjogera na muntu kosi njogera na kisolo efe kukoleka amani mu kumerika ilagaza ate wabadde amogera ko bona bagam nendagira walinga yika lusangu kuzimutire kakati ndagira ezo yika ya basibe basese mu nakamu
but the truth is bano imwe basebo orukubahemukira no gumukuru wanyu urugende yatende buzubu abo kuba Ttaka owari muhere no gumukuru wanyu. Who is the administrator? I don't know whether he's still the administrator because there is a law that passed, so now he's expired. So it is your right to sit I'm not judging, sir. Let me not go there. But I should tell them the truth and I tell them the law. It is your right to sit. Administrator because this gentleman is expired. He cannot be an administrator unless now, when I got to know the truth, Abantu, I held a meeting in my office and called all these people. There's I don't know what kind of God you believe in.
One certified because it needs proper demarcation. Civil executive. Mubayambe ekolebulungi with surveyor zino muzisigale for the time being musire mukwataako mukakozese consensuously wetunaba twangwiza ndi musata geno kola gunji eri mwiza okugabana naye bwe munagabana nakino mujja kigabana mu in terms of ownership, not in terms of valuating what has been agreed. Kibajja ng'olindirira otukulika enkambadesi kyenfunye emyaka gigweko. You are free to negotiate anything.
Obuwanguzi bwaffe twagala ttaka lyaffe lyonna kubanga ekyakituufu yadde nga minisita agambye mbu agreement eyakolebwa eri mu mateeka kale kakebeere mu mateeka naffe nga family tulabira ddala mbu amateeka olumu ganyiga naye tetulina kyagakolera gatunyize ku ekyo naye kasita ebitaano tumusuuzizza ate taliiko bbanga ddene mu bbanga eritali lyawala agenda kubava ku ttaka lyaffe ate the good thing mbu batuteereddewo ne windo ey'okuddamu okukola ki okunegotiatinga agreement ye yakola n'omusika waffe tugenda kutuula ne Madam Fiona tugenda kuddamu tugitunulemu zekyemanyi tewagenda kubulwa ki kukaanya nga minisita bwe yagambye we are going to arrive at a win-win situation.
Bayizire bano bali kutubeerera abo ensonga zino zibaire for long batulinga bana abantu for almost last 4 years batwakana kusamba itaka lino tutakukiza kusambayo but from today at least a way forward nga muntu wenda kukiza kusamba we shall be allowed to use our land for the otherwise
one certified because it needs proper demarcation. Civil executive. Mubayambe ekolebulungi with surveyor zino muzisigale for the time being musire mukwataako mukakozese consensuously wetunaba twangwiza ndi musata geno kola gunji eri mwiza okugabana naye bwe munagabana nakino mujja kigabana mu in terms of ownership, not in terms of valuating what has been agreed. Kibajja ng'olindirira otukulika enkambadesi kyenfunye emyaka gigweko. You are free to negotiate anything.